Alright, what is up guys? Welcome to my video. This video has nothing to do with cars and whatsoever, right? So in this video, I'm going to show you guys my brand new Gigabyte RTX 3080 graphic card. Okay, I'm gonna do an unboxing video and maybe I'll put it in my rig and then we can test this baby out. You know, I'm very excited. I've been waiting for this card for... Yeah, I'm very excited. Okay, I've been waiting for this... I've been waiting for this card for quite some time already, maybe about a month or so lah. So my rig was ready. It's just that I didn't manage to secure this card. I missed the first order. So this is the second batch, or the second order you call it. Okay, so I got this from RaconTech PC guys. I believe it's rachontech.com. You can check them out, and they also have a physical store near Setia Punca. Setia, I don't know lah. I'll put the location and their you know, contacts and whatsoever, their Facebook links and all lah. Okay. Also, I bought this solid state drive SSD M.2. This is PCI Gen 3, so it is not Gen 4. Well, PCI Gen 4 is a bit expensive, so it's a bit out of my budget because most of it went here. So maybe in the future we can change to Corsair. The Corsair, what is that? I think the H5. I'm not very sure about the serial number, but it's a Corsair SSD. Okay, so yeah, let's go. Welcome to my working desk. Alright, so this is where I, you know, do my promoting YouTube and stuff like that lah. Okay, so here we have the Gigabyte RTX 3080. So this is going to be an unboxing video. Well, not that professionally done, but you get the point. Alright, so this is all the stuff. I really wish RaconTech should have pasted a little tape here, so it gives like a first-hand experience of cutting in tape, you know, kind of like making it like personal a bit. So that's okay. I mean, that's the receipt. Okay guys, so sorry, I'm using one hand, I don't have a tripod. Okay, right, fuck this shit lah. Okay, so I'm just gonna pull this out like that. It's not coming out. There you go. Holy shit, you have no idea how beautiful this thing looks. Okay, that's the there you go, Gigabyte. Alright, that's my receipt. So I got this card for initial price is 3,800 ringgit, and then they have this option where you use credit card or debit card, they will give you 100 ringgit discount. Okay, so remember that. Oh, another receipt. Oh, that's for my SSD. How the hell? Oh, okay. So, oh, there you are. Alright. So, slowly. Okay. We've been greeted with this Gigabyte envelope. So let's see what's inside here. Holy shit! Okay. That's the manual and stuff. Wow. Okay, so this is your product warranty, for the extended warranty lah. Okay, so you can register that. Okay, wow, this is it feels very premium guys. It does. The quality of this envelope itself feels very expensive. Well, of course, if you're paying that much for a card, then yeah, you have to somehow expect some kind of premium feel. So that goes there, that goes there. Holy shit. Alright, then you remove this plastic or whatever, the foam here. Okay, so there you have it. There is the, I mean, that's the GPU. They have a slot here to remove. Oh my god, this is so freaking beefy, man. I have it. Holy shit. Is it shaky? Yeah, shaky. Holy motherfucker. Look at that. Jesus Christ. This card is huge. Oh my god. God damn, this card is huge. Look at that. It's freaking huge. And it just looks absolutely beautiful. Really, it does. Okay. So there you have it. That's the unboxing of the Gigabyte RTX 3080. So I can't wait to install on my PC and do the test run. So yeah, thanks for watching everyone.